Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making an easy, simple honey bun cake. So let's get into it. So this is the yellow cake mix that I'll be using. You want to put that down in a bowl. I'm basically just following the directions on the back of the package. However, I'm substituting the water for milk and the oil for butter. So you want to add everything to this mix and mix it up like this. And then I had an epiphany. I said, well, when I eat honey buns, well, back in the day, child, they tasted like they had a little oomph to them. And I had some maple extract in my cabinet, so I decided to put some into the batter. I mean, hey, it can't hurt. So I mixed that up. Now let's work on the filling. It's going to be brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Not too much of that nutmeg, however, but, just a little smidgen to be like, what's that in the back? So you want to mix that up and set it to the side. Alright, so let's put this thing together. You want to add half your batter to your pan. Obviously, and in the end of this, you're going to see that my pan was way too small. So if you're making this cake, make sure you use the pan that goes with the size on the back of your package. Don't be like Misha's Corner. Make sure you use the right size pan. You want to then put the filling down, which is the brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg in between. And then you're going to top that with the remaining batter, just like this. Some people might have a little difficulty spreading the top layer on, but just be gentle with it, just like me. I used a knife and it just spread out for me for some reason. It worked. So just be gentle with it. And even if you get some swirls in the top, that's even fine. That's even better because it's going to add to the design of the cake anyway. See what I mean? My pan was way too small, child. This cake tore my oven up. It tore my oven up, you guys. But hey, it still looked great. So this is my powdered sugar and milk. You want to mix that up with some vanilla. And that's pretty much the glaze. I kept it pretty simple. And yeah, just mix it up really well. Try to get out as much lumps as you can. Next, you're just going to pour the glaze right over your cooled cake. You could even do this while it's hot, either way, or warm. But you want to pour it all over just like I'm doing here. And just spread it out. And I kid you not, you guys, this cake tastes like a honey bun. You know how you see some hacks and recipes online and you're like, man, no way, whatever. No. This cake tastes like a honey bun. But if you guys give this a try, please tag me and let me know what you think and send me pictures so I can repost you. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for subscribing, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.